Tons of people talking about Tesla right now. They're asking, is this a dip opportunity or is this time to sell? All right, so let's go ahead and take a look right now. Currently, we are respecting the bottom frame of this support. We also have the 100 EMA on the daily chart acting as a support as well. That is 346 there being a support level. So if we keep an eye out right now on the daily chart, we hit a low of 350. What I would keep an eye out for is, can we respect the 100 EMA on the daily chart? If we can continue to remain above 345 or 346, I would keep an eye out for a move potentially back up towards the 50 EMA, which is at 383. Now 383 could still act as a resistance. We could have a false pump and then pull back continuing down, okay? We are in this yellow box. So this yellow box, in my opinion, if you're long-term in shares, I wouldn't mind adding a small position between right around 370 to about 320, okay? 370 to about 320, I wouldn't mind adding a small position. Now below 320, all the way to about 260, I would add a bigger position into Tesla for long term. I think Tesla, obviously at these levels above 400, was extremely risky. It has already gone up so much, and it was bound to have a pullback, right? So this is the pullback I was looking for. Now, can it pull back further? Yes, most definitely. And that's why I have these two box ranges, right? So currently we're in this first yellow box range where I wouldn't mind adding a small position in terms of shares, right? When everyone is saying sell, 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 what do you think you should be doing? You shouldn't be following the crowd, in my opinion, right? Yes, momentum matters, but at some point there's going to be a potential reversal towards the top side. So in my opinion, don't add all at once. I would just add small amounts at a time in terms of shares. So small amounts here in this yellow box range, which we're currently in right now. If we dip down below 320, that is, then I would look to add in a bigger position into Tesla shares. Long term, I do expect to see price target all the way up to 800. Now, here, you might think I'm crazy, right? But I literally said that long ago. Let's go ahead and go on a weekly chart. On our main video for our YouTube channel for Bullish Trade, if you just go ahead and take a look, we called out Tesla right around 170, 180 as a dip opportunity, and my price target for that for Tesla was actually between 300 and 350, I believe. So it must have been like 250 to about 350, and people were calling me crazy, right? Well, here I am again, like calling out a price target all the way up to 800. Look, that price target that price entry from 170 180 got to a high of 488. So obviously it exceeded my expectation, right? But right now I'm minimally looking for 500 all the way to a high of 800 for Tesla. So there you have my long-term outlook for price target on Tesla. If we measure the move in the short term, I think we may bottom out here at potentially 325. If the overall market somehow collapses and goes down further, then you can start to see that price range of 250, 260 test again. Again, if we're below the 200 EMA, it's definitely a buy in my opinion on the daily chart. Taking a look at the weekly chart again, we could potentially see that 50 EMA get tested. That's what I was talking about as well, going into the green box. That's where I would like to add a bigger amount of shares into Tesla. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments if you are in Tesla stock, whether it's options or shares. If you want due diligence and not just technical analysis, we do talk about due diligence on Tesla in our Discord. Link is down below in the description, and there's over 32,000 members there. Last but not least, if you want to view our live entries and exits on options, we do have Patreon. Patreon currently 90% off discount for a 5-year anniversary with Bullish Trade. Link for that is also down below in the description, all right? Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video was a bit helpful and not too confusing. And give me some feedback as well if you feel like it was confusing, or if it was helpful, let me know as well, alright? Thank you guys, and if you want to support the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.